Let's look around the market. So last time people were actually selling on the street, but maybe that's more like for hours. Thank you. What is this?
This is flour. We put in the wash it,
Yeah.
then put in the sun. Take 5 days to dry.
Oh yeah.
Then it will be like this.
And how do you eat?
We found it. You can see in the bag here. Put in the cover cloth, then you squeeze and take out the juice.
Ah, yeah, I heard about this. Like you guys have with the like family. This area is like selling kava. Looks like here like vegetables and fruits are cheaper than in big supermarket. Yeah, I can buy this. But how much is this?
$1 each.
$1 each. Okay, thank you. Orange is expensive. Maybe it's import. Many things like $1 or $2. What is this?
This is
Kava?
no, we call it in Fiji Nadi. Where are you from?
South Korea.
South Korea. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
How much is this one?
$20.
How do you eat?
You have to cook.
Like fry or boil?
When once it's cooked, you can fry it. Then you have to cook boil.
What kind of taste is this? Like that?
Potato?
Ah, potato. Hello. Thank you. See you.
$100? $2.
Do you have more like yellow?
Yellow. This yellow.
Can I eat now or
You can use now.
do I have to wait?
No.
No? Can I have one please? Can wow, $5 for 5? Is it like $5 for one or $5 for both?
For one gift. You want?
Actually, next is too big. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wow, this is $3. I want to try, but I don't want to carry. How much is for one? $1. I can buy one. Yeah. What is the best to eat now? Can you choose one for me?
You want to get it today?
Maybe. Yeah, today, not tonight, maybe.
Yeah.
So it's $1.
Yeah, $1.
Could you cut this apart, please?
Thank you.
Thank you. I can't wait with this. Blah. How much is this?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want one plate?
What is good, this or this?
Both. Same.
Same?
Yeah, same. You can have this or have that.
Yeah.
Which one you want to pick? This one?
Yes, please. Thank you. Is it very spicy?
You want? You will like it.
Oh no, I'm good.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Wow, I wanna buy more fruit, but I'm worried about carrying. This is already lots to carry. I wanna buy apple. No, don't buy apple. My shopping is finished. It was interesting to look around. Time to go back to cycle. My bike is still there. People are so friendly and nice. We're getting out of town. Now let me try how it tastes of local fruit. Wow. I think it's better than like Australian one. Oh, it's extremely sour. Ooh. Oh, my mouth is watery.